Unit 9, Recording 3. Fadil.
There are a few things that we always tell our customers to bring with them. For example, we tell people to bring a couple of packs of wet wipes. We travel in 4x4s, so we bring plenty of water with us. But that's for drinking, not for washing. Wet wipes are really useful for staying clean. Another thing we recommend that you bring is your swimming gear. Obviously, a lot of people wonder why you need your swimming gear in the desert. The reason is that we always try to stop at an oasis when we're on a trip. That's really an unforgettable experience. People who don't bring their swimming gear always regret it. What else? It's good to bring several plastic bags. They're useful for organising things, and they stop sand getting everywhere. And you need to bring a hat and plenty of sunscreen, of course, at least factor 15. And, of course, a lot of people forget that the desert is freezing cold at night, so you need to bring some warm clothes.
Abigail.
I've been going climbing in the Rockies since I was a child, so I'm really aware of the dangers, particularly the way the weather can change really quickly. I see far too many people out climbing in just a pair of shorts and a t-shirt. They haven't packed enough warm clothes to deal with a change in the weather. And I always advise people to take some insect repellent and a bit of food, even if they're only going for a few hours. If the weather changes and they get stuck, they might really need both of them. High-energy food is best, things like raisins and peanuts. You can add a little bit of your favorite chocolate, too. Too many people these days rely on a handheld GPS navigator. Now, most GPS navigators are great. It's definitely a good idea to take one. They tell you exactly where you are, but they can also break or run out of battery, so you need a backup, a map, and a compass. And don't forget a plastic bag. You don't want your map to get wet.
Joel.
I'm a real festival lover, you know. I just love the atmosphere and the music and the social scene, and I've learned over the past couple of years what I need to bring. Number 1 on my list is a tent and a sleeping bag. They're your home, so it's worth spending a bit of money on a good tent and a warm sleeping bag. Then you need a torch with a few spare batteries. When you're trying to find your tent in the dark, it's really essential. What else? Well, with the British weather, you really need a pair of wellies. Often people bring too much food with them, and they always regret it, because they spend a lot of time carrying it around, and actually there are plenty of places to buy food. To be honest, these days you can buy most of the stuff you need at the festival. So really, when you think about it, all you need is enough money.